Yeah, man, public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, Officer Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free, Officer Smiley, yeah. What's really going on? When you see me working, there still gotta be hustling. When you see me working, you know you gotta pay a fee. Don't come around my way if you're not willing to pay. Officer Smiley don't play, no, 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 no. Officer Smiley, Smiley, ain't no smile for free. Officer Smiley, yeah.
Call the cars. I don't want to reach out people in my yard and can't go in. Motor road. I cannot love your life. Yeah, hello, Mr. Johns. Good afternoon, sir. At the Browning, we're at the place. I hope somebody around there to give us a key card with the near now when Elena come. Oh, alright then. We're coming. Alright, thanks. Come on, come on. Yeah, Mr. John, you know, so reach at the house, but we don't nobody. Oh, just pull the gate. Alright then. Alright. Oh God. You're too lazy. Come on. Come on. Oh God. Yes, thank you, Jesus.
Front room, what? Front room.
No, which front room? But I don't want to go there. Other people in front of side, so you might say brown door. So that means that door the one door is where you want front room. That'll go pick me. Oh, rent pay. One. Boy.
Finally.
I have a lot of cleaning to do, Jada. No, no. But all your laziness, you know, make sure you help me. Oh, finally. Finally. So you cook up now people with tea already?
Sister, I'm tired, you know.
Come, let's put the wood back. Come, come. Go back in the room. Check out the room. Come, put them. No, stop. Please, that people tidy up, you. Yeah. What kind of situation them?
That look nice too.
Did that look nice?
Yeah.
Oh man. Let's get to work.
Me hungry.
Why you get hungry, so?
Me hungry.
What's up? You know something my drinks and shop up on the front there, so you didn't see it? You want to buy one drink, because I know thirsty, you know hungry so quick. Go on. Because me there, I not buy nothing till later. Go on, man.
150?
You have drinks out there for 150 or water. Go on, Jada.
Me not drink soda.
No, let me do what I do, yeah. Hurry up, man, and go help me.
I want tropical redeem, I want.
Jada, that can't buy the tropical reading.
You know you have money.
Oh, God. But you don't know money come and so no stay. You go on. Alright? Sir!
Welcome swimmers. You know some of the soda.
No, sir. Sir,
You know some running shop though.
free shop.
Yes sir.
Excuse you?
Alright, you can see who come here.
Are somebody here, look?
No, me just like a friend.
No, I'm no friend.
You look like you're new in that community, you know. A long time there, you know.
Well, look here, I don't want no friend from you, you know. Not because I come in a community. You're in a community. I'm not a friend from you.
Okay, my name is Money Idol. And today you're a long time, you don't hear enough things about me. You understand?
So that have to do with me.
If you can know, say, you can come and check me when you want me. Help.
It's all you know easy.
I'm not easy. You ever find somebody hard?
What that have to do with me? Serve! 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 Come can better the conversation here, you know. Serve! Come on back of water, please.
My car cold.
Cool. Can better the conversation here with your man over here, so.
Never stress you that it was
Money Island. Thank you.
I will surely see you one day. I want a slim girl, if you come whining on my lap, whining on me, whining on me, whining on my lap, because
How do your face make you look so?
I'm gonna just go buy one water and this man, I didn't even know him name, but money, but some money like that so in him. After I make me soul.
How am I torment you?
But me sexy and all these things and I tell me what he will see me around here.
Yeah. So that make your face so awesome? You think of somebody licking your face now me I forgot to go mash up somebody. Yeah, frighten me no girl. Sure. I thought if I come go to the kitchen go see what I want cause first time girl like we have some plate to wash. Come on. Come now, me not tell us you have to go the laziness. Sure.
You understand? Oh? You know me? You better don't know me. Go on. Young man, you have a permit to play football? You have a permit to play football?
yes, sir.
Soon that is going to be the case around here, you know. What? Where you just a while ago? Wait, where you say answer?
You know some ears don't scratch your boy, Papi.
Pick it up.
Pick up what?
Pick up the buckle.
Pick up what?
Who you talking to? You know my name, boy?
Oh, no, this a big pants. Police boy.
You want to know me?
I know
Pick up the
you.
buckle.
Me
Pick
even
up
know
the
your
buckle.
family.
You know my family? You don't know my family. Wrong somebody. Pick up the buckle before you have problems here. My name is Officer Smiley.
Me see smile on your face.
No worry about it. Pick up the buckle, sir, before you have a problem. This is going to be the first arrest of the day if you push things to the different level.
Arrest for the day.
Pick up the buckle. Have a good day.
You know say you arrest the wackle right now.
What is your name? Hey, what is your name?
Money idol boss.
Money Idol.
Boss.
It's the first I'm seeing you on this lane.
Okay.
Eh?
You sure say you don't know me.
Me don't know you.
Okay.
Alright, Money Idol. Go and hold your idol. Stay right there. That man, stay right there. Everything good. You gonna know me. Hold yourself.
Me know you.
I'm gonna bang
So
you.
me do it party every night, you know.
Party every night? Alright, you stay right there and cool out. Don't follow me. Come and get nervous and people. Hey, I said don't follow me. Let's go back, yes sir. You get nervous and people follow me. Go back and stand over there, sir, man.
You see it, you know, watch your neck, you know. Watch your neck. Them they hear they might kill you for your neck.
Hey, I check me.
Checking you.
I check me.
You don't hear my name?
Hey,
Money idol boss.
I check me. That's so put that from. That's so put that from. Me? You know me more. Go down and go. Come flat. You want trouble in that place, yeah? Back up. Back up, I need some help down here. I left my gun in the office. This little boy named Money Idol. I want you to come lock him up. Back up. Back up. Hello. Eh? Hello.
Oh, I'm saying so. This is now be a police boy. Go like for man.
Now I'm beard. You gonna see who now I'm beard. All right. Yep. Where's your forward? Officer Spoon, you forward? Officer Spoon, you going for lunch? I don't know. All right. Send somebody fast. You feel it's a joke thing. You want to know me? You have damn phone and I'm going to damn pocket. Come on, get up. Get up. You laugh, you think a joke. You're first lock up. Come here.
Yeah, man. Public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation. Officer Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free, Officer Smiley.
Yo, lady.
Yeah.
Some minute, get time, please. Some minute, please. My name is Officer Smiley. And I'm on duty right now, just running around the area. But can I ask you a few questions, miss?
Yeah, man.
That house you're coming from, that used to occupy, well, some people occupy the place, the premises, by the name of Candy and Big Boy. Do you know them?
Listen, I don't know nobody name so.
So you are the only person living over there?
Yeah, me and my big sister.
Your big sister, so why the attitude, ma'am?
Hey, come and question me.
Question. All right, so you're telling me that Candy doesn't live over there?
Me don't know who name Candy.
All right, so you are living over there?
Yes.
And your name is? What is your name, ma'am? I'm a police officer, you know.
So what does that have to do with me?
A police officer meaning that I am the law. Whatever I say goes. Understand? So what is your name, ma'am? Because if you don't tell me your name, I can call backup, because backup is supposed to be on the way. I don't know what's the problem, and you can be in problem.
Call him because me not tell him my name. Call him.
You not call him?
No.
Oh, you not tell me your name? What you say? Boy, today's gonna be a rough day, you know.
I saw you come here and look.
So me come here and look. You see people like you, push badness in our community, you know. And you see badness when I push in our community, it just go cause one big thing where everybody gonna lock up down round so. That you want?
Me tell you this here. You see, on the stretch and me run you say here. Badness here.
What do you mean say you run this up?
And me run the stretch here. Badness here.
That you say?
And that me I say.
Alright, let me say it again. My name is Officer Smiley. And I like to do my job, you know, and customers like you make my place very fruitful and, you know, colorful. So if you want to take it the next angle, it's no problem. Because my job is my job and that's how I get paid. You understand what I'm saying? So you need to do your next best. What is your name, ma'am?
I don't have any name.
You don't have any name?
No. For the shoes don't even match uniform.
Alright, you see where we're going right now? Normally, I don't like to be rough with women. But you act like a man, so this is going to be an exception. So I have no other option but to do my job, and my job is what I do best. So let me tell you something, man. You see, I have to gonna take you down there. Who is responsible for you? Come on, over here, you live. Come.
My
come.
big sister now.
Your big sister in the house? I know you have to have a big sister. Big sister! Why your big sister here? You think say me a joke?
Share.
Share! Hello, Share! She brown or she black?
She brown.
She brown? Mm-hmm. What you say to me?
What's the Lord God, Jane? Now we get yourself in a...
Listen to me, miss.
Lord Jesus, so
Yes.
what you do, officer?
Listen to me, ma'am. There's no reason to act like this. I want peace and
Jesus.
I don't want any trouble today. I already lock up somebody up the road and today is not a good day. Jade? A Jade in name? Okay.
Jade.
So you're responsible for Jade?
What kind of problem you get yourself in a Jane? I tell you, if you stay in a yard, because we knew we don't want you walk up and down in a community.
Yeah,
Little
man,
girl.
talk about my business and stop me a question me.
Me
Respect the
stop it.
officer, little girl.
Listen to the elder.
Jesus
You
Christ.
see, that's why you're a child? Huh? Alright, ma'am, I can see,
My name is Sherika, officer.
okay, I can see that you are nice, you're a nice, yeah, young lady.
You make the officer ask them. Little girl, come go in my house.
No, I have to talk to her first. You understand? Because I don't want her to think that I'm a joke and she's playing with the officer. My name is Officer Smiley. And you're gonna forever remember that. And you're gonna have respect. You understand me? You can smirk your face all you want. But I am the person that takes care of badness in this community. You understand me?
Take time with her, officer. My little sister. Take time with her. My mother gone left with. So I'm in charge and I beg you, take time with her, sir, please. And sorry, me apologize on her behalf.
I'll give you a chance, you know.
Little girl have manners. Jesus Christ.
Go on in. Go on in.
So let me go
Come
now.
in the house. If I never want thing, hey. Officer.
ma'am.
A people like we make it work. Boy.
When me people like when I'm going to work, what's your talk, boss? Excuse me, ma'am, sure. Just give me a second. I'm have a talk with you out here, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My name is Officer Smiley. It's a pleasure to
Yes,
meet
sir.
you. You know, based on your first impression, I know that you're a very nice young lady,
Yes, officer.
and I would like to come here just to say hi on a regular basis to
Yes.
make sure the place is alright.
Yes, ma'am.
I
You feel
realize,
safe with you, officer.
yes, I like that. You know, I want you to feel very safe with me. All right,
So, officer, why you are about me, so, officer?
no, it's a part of saying thank you,
Okay.
and I appreciate the fact that you understand what is happening here. All right, so can I get a number?
Sir, why you want my number?
I want to call to make sure, cause you look like you can run this community, you know, and without
Why?
people like you, I can't have a community under control.
So,
Understand me?
So, like you want to give me a job, officer?
That is possible too, you know. Give me a number.
Give
and
me
we
a number.
talk.
Right away.
Put your number in the phone.
Don't give me number.
Look at you, go in. Hey. She a last bit, you know, so she not no manners. I know say last bit they always spoil.
Tell you, I can't
But I
understand.
go turn her like a ripe breadfruit.
All right, ma'am. Thank you very much. And your name is Sher.
Sheriff
Officer
Jane.
Smiley. Officer Smiley.
Officer, anyway you see her on the road again, no afraid to brush her little backside.
Okay.
Alright.
I'll be
Respect.
coming inside soon. All right.
Okay,
Well,
officer,
I'll be coming here very soon. All right.
Manners are respect.
All right. So you, Jade,
No.
remember saying, you know, the system. Follow the system. All right. All right, Jade.
Alright.
All right, Sher. We'll see you.
Here.
Because you.
Try my horse. Jesus Christ.
Hello? Yeah, man, everything good, man. I've been having a good day so far. The customers are, as usual, misbehaving and, putting in some work. But, I was wondering this thing. Talking to a little girl earlier on, and she said to me, I think her name is Jade. Jade or whatever the case may be. She said to me, she shocked me, and I had me thinking now. Basically, if there's no badness in the community, I would have no job. I know how me go with my money. And the little money that me get already from the Big Boy and Candy Place, it done. So me really, I think about this thing seriously, because if badness stop in the community, what is there for me? No job. And the chief send me down in this area. Huh? Create badness in the I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do just that. This idiot just lock up, called Money Idol. Yeah. Yeah, man. Very disrespectful. I think he's a very high potential candidate for this job. Yeah, man. I'm gonna release him. Yes, man. Yes. All right. That's my plan. All right. We shall talk. Thank you very much.
Jada. Jada. Oh. Oh God, I'm nice. Jada. You can't do a go on morning.
What on? You good?
You know, say from last night, me call it, but me Jeff asleep, man, me tired. So I go on. Oh, anyway, me call if you thank you for introduce me to Mr. Johnny because the place really nice.
You're welcome, man. You know, say me and a friend for a long time, so anything you ask me to do for you, me try my best and do anything at all for you. As long as I know nothing bad.
But tell me something. When you were over here, when you were live over here, when you were involved in all the wrongdoings or so, come here tell us a candy for me reach as me reach, you know? A police at my gate.
Oh? What you mean? What you mean when if a police are come there so?
Yes. Have a Jada in her hand like she a give problem. Cause you know Jada rude her then. And me tell her little girl they say. If you turn in her yard, me wake up now me can't find her. Me tell her if you turn in her yard, come me want a whole house come tumble on for me and say no.
Me not understand. The only police me know come there so. I want the good idiot police boy where always look me name Officer Smiley. Me can't stand him. In torment. Me can't walk good in a me yard. This man turn up every time. When I'm son come they talk to me about, I mean they look fun and they admire me. He come like he not no woman.
So what make you not trust him? When do? Talk to me man, can I come and I say me missing out for everything, you know. When do?
Let me tell you something if you don't know about that the police boy there. He ain't love brown girl. Worse if you have tattoo on and you look good. Nobody want him, time when they look me too. So if you have any intention say you go want him, don't there with him. Oh me? Me and a friend too long for you to know me. Me no want him. If me go chat to that the dirty police boy there near me mouth and he look like he don't have no money. No, you can't look for a man and know when they have money from when they not have none. As somebody man look for you, run him out of here. That's so used to do when me used to live there. Come there every time.
Alright then, we chat personal then.
No worry yourself, man. Come check me, man. Me you can sit down and chat. Yes. Alright. I go check for big boy. Cause he's big and lazy and craving and see hot me for him. Nothing can turn in the house here cause he's greedy and lazy. I don't see if he's in bed.
Alright then friend, big up yourself here. Yeah man, I go get up and look for that little girl and come and say. Father God. Alright, look more. Jada! And I tell you man, come here little girl. What do you know?
Yeah. Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfield. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna
Big
get
boy.
it right?
Get up out of bed. Get up out of the bed. What you do from man in a bed sun hot, big and lazy. Get up out of bed. Get up out of bed. Get up. Get up, you're too old and sleep with everything by the bed. I saw you call yourself for a long time. And no, we can't take it no more. We can't take it no more. You know, so I need to fuck you once and you go on boarding school. Because you give me too much talking. You know that? Me need to pack you up and send you away right now. Me can't take it no more. All you do is watch out. You will live life. You have to believe you. You live outside and no more. Take out your clothes then. Take them out. Put on your clothes. Me tired of you now. Me can't take it no more. Where is the clothes in the dinner? How is this? Empty drawer. So you have your dirty clothes and pull them out the door. Let me tell you something. You not stay with me one more day. You need to go boarding school. Me tired of you. Me tired of you. Big boy, come here. Come here.
Mommy.
You not tired to get lick? You how much now?
I don't want to go, mommy.
You don't want to go? You better go. Because if you stay around me, you're not going to like the lick them when me go. You see lick them when me hug you? They name dreadful. So if you want to get dreadful, stay with me. Me can't take you no more because I don't want to rise up my blood pressure. You're too little and bad. Look how much you clock now. Big boy, can you imagine? Look at the sun. And lazy people live down in a bed when sun hot. Big and lazy. You're too lazy. You're too lazy. Pack up your clothes then. Pack up your clothes. You can't take it no more, man. Them man blast after all. You know how long me they want you. Me can't take it. Me can't take this no more. No more. Me can't take it no more. Take up your seat, man. Carry on your bag. Which one? Yo. Put on your clothes. Me tired of you. Tired of you, man. Tired of you. Me can't take it no more. See, can you? Come to the backside. Get up. Get up. Get up. That's only you want. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up, man. You're too out harder. What they push you down, look at your big and frame and your name so much and see the drop out. That means say you're big and no use. I saw you weak. Suppose they push me down. Look at your out harder though. Lie down in a bed like a tourist. I walk your figure look. Watch him. I know he can't dress himself. See how you're big and craving clothes and can't pick up. Take up his suitcase and come out. Come out. Go. No, I'm not going to tell you. So you put on a big business video. Go and do your bed. Big and nasty on the backside. That is the bed you can't pray. Out harder. You can't take for your style, man. All you do, I give them to your work. Work every day. Dirty up the place. Pull up the bed. Lay down and sleep like a some big lazy nasty man. Can't bother with your man and your mouth everything when you see me with. You damn lazy man. Lazy. Send you to boarding school, I can't take you no more. Since you're a big man, you listen to me and me. Oh, you're not done? Oh, you're done? You're lucky. I will go give you a licking seat like one like you're a big man. Put on your shoes. Make sure you send me call. The taxi man will always scare me up to come for you. Because I don't know give him the full info about you. You know which boarding school you are going. I'm going to come for you right now. You're too out of that. Right. Yes, I can be. You remember this something one minute I talk about? Yes man, no more about big boy. Me no want you nothing from you. I don't want enough to tell me about big boy. Me grow big boy. Me know about big boy. Me can't take it no more. Me I beg you please. Me don't pay your money already. Come feel. What you say? You depend whether do something what time you go finish. Because the boarding school I talk to you about, me are sending them. I don't call the people them and talk to them about him already and they expect him. Okay, so come feel. Me can't take this no more, man. No. You can't give no chance. Because me give no chance. Police will come for me because I will lick him. Hard though. Alright. Yeah, man. Alright. Sit down right this and don't come back in my house. come right at breadfruit tree. See breadfruit tree. I don't know where far you they go. You know your road. See them. You can't turn right to sun so when him pick you up. One down the so go turn up and wait for him.
Andy!
Hold up, mama. I'm too bad. We can't manage him. One down the so can we taxi man.
Oh, wait, where else did go?
I must go in school.
No, what?
We can't manage big boy no more.
God, I don't say get bad.
I so fast you catch up here. Tap chat
Yeah,
about
me
big boy.
get drive up there, so me come on.
Him bad, him bad, him bad, him bad. When you come back, you pick him up for me. Yes, so they take too long. Alright. You think you're gonna reach already? Watch him gonna be so gonna let us mad before he take up big boy.
Can't do that for people. Come on.
They want him to take up big boy and
Oh,
carry.
big boy, John.
I taxi that if you come take him up. Go on, go on, go on.
Yeah, yeah. Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfield. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy. She say, one thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, being friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his trucks, everything seems alright. Hey. Just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Hey, whilst that boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now go for your church, boss. Not But you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system, what twister. But you are part of the system, what be fixer. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa.
Come here. You're thirsty?
Bad.
Alright, I can sit down right here, so.
Alright.
Yes, you want water?
Very cold.
Alright. If you had a if you tell about it, girl, me not so too long bed before you come here. And you come like me down bed. So what going on?
Me I tell you some over the house now. But the nice and quiet time you know. But me I tell you say as me reach and this policeman me see me inside no hear somebody a call sister. When me go out there the police hold and banje, the same policeman with trim round sound him locks up and so brown end and he kinda cute you know. But me no know, me just feel like me well protected when he's around. For real. Awa. Let him man alone, man. My do job.
Right now, make me get at you know, see you make me as well. The one little talk it up, and then kind of cute, you know, and then, oh, there. Be careful where I said about the policeman there, you know. But you like him and this, and you know much girl end up fight a road sake of him. That the man they no deal with one woman.
And I hear his name, Officer Smiley.
You know how much time girl got jail sake of him? Cause he lying like he can't done. He always, listen, Anytime he put no argument, I'm matter of fact, he put no argument to you?
No, but me
Any
feel like
time,
me feel them I go do it.
Well, anytime he put no argument to you, and you ain't tell us saying no man, I like to tell. Because he when they look me too, you know? He when they look me too.
I mean, I tell me on the phone,
But
me not really talk about the looking part still. You see, because me new to the area, my little sister, I don't know how go and me kind of feel protected.
You know,
Say I come around.
you better get all to the area. Act like you live there long time and when you just come there. The policeman, they are general. He can't be trusted. No make him come nowhere you do away. Because
So
if you little more from this, he catch all in your house and go take up somewhere where no one belongs to him. Alright, stay there.
Anyway, still, what me I say? No farmer wrongdoings used to go on. Them really want to know about that because somehow me just feel say something about that area, the other house. Them me don't know.
Wrongdoings?
Yeah, like any little wrongdoings where you know about them and tell me.
I don't know about no wrongdoings. I mix one come mix me up.
Me want Jed, you know. Can't me want Jed. Jed not here. As dear like Jed pick up out that house.
Look here, you see that the little girl the way you call your sister?
God, help him.
In Kim come like it a catch a fire.
I'm tell her.
Every time I see the lie, I say it, and so him take up in the ear. Every time I see the girl, see na? And him take up in the ear. Like I said, she look the man instead of the man look her. She better be careful before man breed her. Else I you it a go left and I mean no why you come call me and say nothing cause me can't help you that the way them. Me will help you, but help you and your sister? No, me can't do it.
Can't me want her. Because she does a push out her body for purpose. I think say I know she out a man she want. Me talk to her, you know. Me talk to her.
So when me tell you, so you did notice her too? Then every minute like a bite back she depend. That little girl you need to put her on the manners.
But there I see the policeman pull her up. I say me seriously I think she go do wrong because her mouth no giant church.
What you just say rewind and come. Officer Smiley hold up.
Money hands on she let me go. I saw she a
Jada. I wonder if I look Smiley are looking. Because the man don't know himself, you know.
I don't know still, but to me see whole man no looking thing, a discipline thing.
Me can't wait to see dirty Officer Smiley. That dirty boy, we used to come over me and come perplex me and me pitney life. Every minute me come, me have to run him out. Like seriously, he's still in the community there. You see why me left from there?
Him not migrate, alright, they say man like a plant them
Around there live.
Plant them because as they like Officer Smiley they pan the lane.
I wonder if I chew enough girl they pan the lane.
They say
they not do no work, you know. A woman him alone.
say if little boy look pan him too hard, he will carry them down.
Yes, he know. One thing with him though, he know funny. A big girl they run at the lane, that's why I come around there. But as he look at him why them all when they not do nothing, go lock them up. You know say one wicked policeman.
Me hear about that part if it's true.
But they didn't know where I want to lock up my son. Me have to run him out of my yard. I see, what you mean for what? The man come there with one piece of story long from right there, so go straight to Kingston. I know the story can done. Me have to get him out of my yard. You know, send me no wrong parody, you know. Because I don't care whether I'm a police or I'm a thief. Me don't care. Me run him out of my yard. Because I don't make no boy come in my yard going to about my son. You mad? You don't lock up my son, you have to lock up me too. And you can't explain yourself why you lock up my son. You're not going with him. You have your one picnic. Well left in your life and make one next man come there just one like him up to tell if you don't know fake police. Cause I don't know what kind of policeman that is. Every minute he come there and come tell me this and that. Me know why you nothing friendly.
He don't feel.
He can't even talk to the woman when them way my devil. And you ain't want to come back up to my son.
You just did one who say no wrong business. That make me so anxious you go and talk to your car.
10 to worry now one. Remember me I warn you. Be careful of that little girl where you call your sister. You hear me I say? Officer Smiley and one easy man.
Yeah man, me where I say.
Jada, your sister, but don't go look the clean up, but remember say she old.
Yeah man, me have to be careful, Candy. Remember that you know me already, you know your friend. If she call me, I know like she come. Yes, Jada.
How are you there? You still in a bed? Where your wife and you come are just in a bed there? I mean, you must walk. Go up on the road or something. You're just boring. It's just boring.
Me so come and me up a Candy right up as I'm in the far. Me a come open the door. Look girl, stay on the front. No, stay outside me a come.
I say I don't want plum tree at 8 to June plum. I soon come. Alright.
Me a go over go open the door because she over there. A girl we come somewhere else, so me a hurry go over.
Better be careful, Lara.
Yeah man.
Love too much, man. In money, no. I can't bother with him. Alright, look more here.
Yeah.
Sure. I'm born.
Yeah, man. Public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation.
No back up can't reach.
Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free. Officer Smiley. When you see me working, there still gotta be hustling. When you see me
Young girl.
working, you know you gotta pay your fee.
Do you know that it's private property? Huh?
Officer Smiley don't play, no. Officer Smiley, ain't no smile for free.
Let me reintroduce myself to you. My name is Officer Smiley. When I speak to you, because I am the law, I need you to respond to me. I understand that you're rather hungry, eating this so early in the morning. Eh? What is the mission? You can't speak.
Probably me come here for man.
Problem? Why every time you see a police officer you feel like it's problem? Eh?
You can go see me in the June pump.
Which is not your tree.
You don't know if I'm mine too.
It is not your tree. You are new on this premises and I can see that.
You don't know if you man feed June pump to my man.
Could never. Understand me? But let me tell you this. I didn't come here to I come here to reason with you. Right? When I say reason, I mean reason with you. You understand? I see you smiling. That's the reason they call me Officer Smiley. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, I was wondering if you could tell me the whereabouts for Candy. Could you tell me the whereabouts for Candy? Because I need to know now. Because that is the place where them used to live. That is the place where them used to live. And I was wondering if you know where she is right now. Because, let me tell you something. See that house over there? Nobody now go just rent this up. That is owned by Candy. Candy buy the house because I investigated and found out this information. Right?
If you want to hear more about Candy, you have to pay more.
Alright, this is the last house now. You're pushing it, young lady.
3.
Yeah. Because 3 information I want. I want you to tell me where she is. And all these
Information
things.
never give.
Mhm.
Rent the house and Candy is not here.
I try trick me. Eh? I wonder if she know who she deal with. Eh? Yes, good evening, man.
Good evening, officer.
Oh, it's
Something wrong?
No, man, nothing is never wrong when I see you, man.
Nice to
You know, when I see you, it's a pleasure, you know what I mean? And I highly appreciate seeing people like you, especially this time of the day.
Right.
You know what I mean? I don't know, so all is well? Have you been having a wonderful day so far?
Yeah, so far.
So, I'm also wondering because you see that place over there? I know that Candy used to live there, you know what I mean? And I wanted to, there's an investigation that's been going on before. I don't know if they told you about it.
Somebody dead over there or something?
Nobody not dead, man.
Oh.
Nobody not dead. You know, it's just some money has been missing.
Yeah. She go for you. She said, tell me, say she go for you remedy the other day.
Mm-hmm.
Some people went thief some money from her, I'm not sure, but you know me here, she mentioned it. Me feel like the same thing you thought about. So she gonna knock them for 6. Anybody thief her money.
Okay. Tell me something. You know where Candy living now? I don't know if you could point me over that direction.
Yes, me have an idea.
You have an idea? Okay, cause I don't know if like you had a hard day today.
Yeah,
And-
man, me have a rough day.
and a rough day today?
Rough day, officer.
and you wanted to actually cool down.
Yes, man.
You know
You
what I mean?
want to cool down, me I
Yes,
tell you.
it's 1, 2, 3, 4, you know. Because, you know, normally a full hand is 5, right? So, I don't know, you know. Just tell me, 'cause I want to see her, I want to meet her.
God bless you, sir.
Yes, man. So, you know the
You
address?
know this kind of little bit still. Can show you around about this kind of.
No, man, tell me, man. Because I want to talk to her personally. So, if you can just tell me, is which avenue?
I could say I'm going to put 5 more on this.
5 more?
Yeah, man.
All right. What I can do is I can come by the place. I'm going to go to the ATM machine. Because, you know, the police
Oh.
business go already. We only have limited money on us. So, just tell me the place.
Yeah, man. We can direct your way.
Tell me, man.
In our town, I just go on right street.
Right street.
Take your left hill.
Mm-hmm.
You see first house that's up on the hill. Right.
Is that big house?
Big orange house.
big house.
3 story.
Alright, ma'am. You see, that's why I love you, you know.
The officer open a chip me now for me to get more money for this.
No, man, I'm coming back to the house, man. Don't worry yourself.
Big information me just get.
Yes, man, and I really appreciate it.
Anyway,
alright?
me I hurry up go say me little sister down there because she called me a while ago.
You know, me just here under the tree here, so picking plum.
So what she there now?
I don't know, I see she run off and gone down there.
Jesus, officer,
You know?
thanks for your information.
Yeah, man, thank you very much too, you know. And I will surely see you again, alright? I need to get to Candy.
Yeah, man. Public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation. Officer Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free. Officer Smiley, yeah. What's really going on? When you see me working, there's still gotta be hustling. When you see me working, you know you gotta pay a fee. Don't come around my way if you're not willing to pay. Officer Smiley don't play, no. Officer Smiley, Smiley, ain't no smile for free. Officer Smiley.
I can't believe. Candy. Travel hills and valleys. I like your new place.
I want to bring you here, so. How you know send me here, so?
Don't worry about that. I'm a police officer. And being a police officer, my duty is to discover, right? By all means necessary. Right? Where you been, Candy?
Where you asking me for?
You
I
must-
don't want to know. Where you are asking me for?
I can explain myself. Eh?
Explain yourself.
All right. So I heard that.
You heard that your phone a ring.
Let me see what's calling me.
Mm.
Yes, hello. Well, you know, sir, I'll be returning to that area in about 15 to 10 minutes, because I'm not on the lane. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, chief. Sorry about that, Carl. What about that? So me I said yes now. Let's get straight down to the matter. Candy, I heard that you went to Haiti to do some guzumu business. Is that true? Because the money that you say is missing, you went to Haiti to do some guzumu and the person that is responsible for it. But at the end of the day, I want to know that the person responsible for it is being locked up in the station we run so. So I want to find out if you find out about the person and if you also get through with the guzumu system that you wanted to create.
Oi. You think that you are a police officer, you can come on my gate, contact to me and tell me foolishness? I know me not get where you tell me say. Where you want, where you come about. If me got 80, all that concern you. If me go walk guzu, all that concern you. Me walk guzu find you or your mama? Awa.
I don't think you understand the justice system. And at all costs, we are paid to solve mysteries, to solve crime. And
What's your name again?
My name is Officer Smiley. Let me reintroduce myself, because it looks like you miss me or something. You miss me?
Me no miss you, no. Because from me see I might get me know say a woman you come to look, you know, come to chat about no 80. I remember say me never want you for a long time. You did come on me yard to come lock up my son. What your problem with me going to 80?
No, I just want to find out. It's an investigation, ma'am. If you're doing an investigation, you have to solve it, right? Right now, in your premises that you used to live in, there's a chap, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, that doesn't concern you. What I'm saying to you is, I just want to find out if you got through in finding out who took the money, and if you got through in doing the guzumu to who took the money.
You see someone a police officer? We love going in a civilian business. Eh? We no concern, you know. Whether me go or me no go or me find out who take care of who no take it. All that concern you. Me did come make no report to you.
Yes, you did.
You know, so
You don't
me have
remember?
a strong feeling. Look here. Officer Smiley. don't get me from my wrong side, because I will lick you from my gate. You notice me move from out of that area there? Tell you, Officer Smiley, we used to come on my yard, come perplex me, and beg me in front. You really have a heart. I wish Sergeant send you up here as Sergeant. Or Lieutenant.
Sergeant Brown. Sergeant Brown send me.
Sergeant Brown, you better go back to him and tell him say if he know me know. Him come instead of sending you next time, because you see all that they smart they will take me money. Me tell my son big boy, you know. If you tell them say anybody will take me money. For me they lick me pick me so I want send him a cops like how me send his sister got cops. Boy, anybody will do it. May God help their soul. You know what go happen to them? If their neck no broke, them a go walk like a duck and quack like a fowl. Remember me tell you, like when fowl they lay egg. Every time the fowl lay the egg, you notice he make nice. I see where this smarty a go. So, and if you know anybody, we take it. I see me now. All people say, where you don't know older than you. Me don't go at 80 already. Me don't know everything already. Just leave it. If anything want to happen to this somebody will take it, make it happen to them. Me don't business. Because I'm not too wicked, you know, sister me and me too putting them there. And me send me one second so damn bad and they suffer with me little boy.
So wait. So listen to me. You are telling me that you have accomplished you have accomplished the mission of getting the thing for the person.
Long time that
All right,
mission.
all right.
Wait, let me talk. Don't make me chat foolishness. A long time I got 80. A long time I borrowed that the money they and go. Me just when they hold me peace until anything will happen to this somebody who take it. Everybody see the salvation. Me just wait. And anything we want happen. Because you don't have no right.
I'm a police officer.
In my
right?
son.
Listen to me. I'm a police officer. I want to see. The sun has set right now. I want you to go. Right now, my mission to you is complete. Can you say you don't find out who?
No, I never tell you if me find out or if me not find out. Me never tell you that. You and me and the whole community we there and see what will take place to that somebody they will take it. No worry yourself.
All right. Miss Candy, let's have a wonderful evening, ma'am. And
Me no want you shake me hand.
all right. That's not
Me
problem.
no want no blue suit boy shake me hand.
No worry, boy. Have a good day, Miss Candy.
I'm
It
afraid
was
that
good
the
to see
whole
you this evening. It was good to see you again. You're looking just the same way and even better. I would
you
tell you.
when come at me and I can hold up my son and go on the quarter they go. Me not trust you, you know. Me not trust you,
All right, Miss Candy.
Officer Smiley. Yeah, man. Public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films. Paradise Nation. Officer Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free. Officer Smiley. Yeah. What's really going on? When you see me working, there still gotta be hustling. When you see me working, you know you gotta pay a fee. Don't come around my way if you're not willing to pay. Officer Smiley don't play, no. Officer Smiley, ain't no smile for free. Officer Smiley.
All right.
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man. But officer, but me want to know. You put me in a jail, so how me come out by you?
You don't worry about that. You see, that's why I'm an officer. And they call me Officer Smiley, right? And the reason is, I make people happy, right? I put you in, I hope you learn a lesson, right?
When I listen, when I know me I sleep on cold concrete and me enjoy my bed at my house.
Don't worry about that, man. In life, you know, you have to rough it out and tough it out. Life
Rough
is
it
never
out,
easy.
rough it out and tough it out.
Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Relax, man. What's the matter with you, man? I've work for you, man. Cause you know,
But yet, you have a work for me and you put me in a jail. That's why you get me out because you want me to give you a work.
Listen to me, man. Stop worrying about the case. Me tell you that the case is out. My name is Officer Smiley. If me get you in, me can take you out. Alright, here we are going now. You see, the work I'm after you, and it's a work, because you get paid. Me go start you with a minimum Officer Smiley, right? When you go in at the house, them, it's any valuable what you see, right? Or anything where you see on the yard or so forth, just take it. You understand? And no thief, you know, because I guess I know, me come save you. Right? And when you get some trouble in the area. So the trouble when you get, any trouble you get, you're not going in that trouble, you're not going to get locked up. Because I am the one responsible for this lane. You understand that? So don't worry yourself about anything else. So when me see you, you know so you get saved.
Understand.
If a somebody else company see you know so you get what they don't get. But guess what? Me have a response for you. Right? So you create havoc. The first place the more you go, up the road there, so. Right? And sort it out. Remember, you know, you work for me, right?
Yeah, man.
So in any case, don't feel like you're in trouble. Right?
Cool.
Deal?
Cool.
Alright, sir. So you ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright, go on. Angle your bang. I never know.
Go with it.
No, you're about it. I'm going to find it.
Jesus!
Miss Sure? Trust me. I'm going to take the situation under control. I don't know what the hell. Why is them thief? Something? A van?
Tripod, one tripod.
Tripod?
Yes.
So, how much you think for that something there?
Officer, about 400 US.
400 US?
Yes.
What
And if you go with it, this is original one, I really want to lose it.
This a boy, you're going good, man. Him really a thief in this community. Yes, that's why I say you need to have me in your area properly. The number you give me wasn't really working. I don't know if you have a different number. You have a different number?
No, officer, same number, man.
Same number?
Yes.
Maybe the area is down, but you sure you have a different number?
No, officer.
Same number?
Same number.
I'm going to call you later. But guess what? Don't worry about it, man. What I was wondering.
Change on the room window. Can I come make a room?
So how you go to the place? Come show me the place.
We up there, so, officer.
Don't worry about him, man. Him have to find. You see him look? Him can't go far. I see him jogging, because he can't even run. You understand me? I said, don't worry about him. But show me the place. Show me the place.
I did catch him, I see when we done with him this man.
Yeah, show me the place. Show me the place. Yes.
Come,
yes,
officer,
yes,
come. Like a run, you say broken.
Yeah.
As me come out, so me see my run out, say like a run, you say come.
Like around there, sir?
Yes. Right, run the officer.
So this is the area you run through?
Yes. And I guess I run through, but I have here. So
Yes, you come through?
Yes, I opened that door because that door was closed.
What a nice place.
And I must first in do it, so it's me not safe.
Okay. That's why I need to be here more often.
I was wondering what you're doing later on. You're busy? Because I want to calm you down. I want to make sure that, you know, if you want to have some ice cream.
Calm me down, officer.
Yeah, man, because this situation is rough.
You say I take this thing for joke.
No, I'm not joking. This is not a joke.
Much money.
Don't worry about him, man. I'm going to find him. I'm going to find him.
Say me to catch him and not even hospital could have saved him.
Alright, here what I'm going to do. This is the plan, right? I'm going to call you about 6:30, right? I'm going to organize something where I can take you out to just talk about the situation, because I don't understand why he's just here robbing your place, and there's so much places in the place.
That me I said,
You understand me?
with my place.
I wonder if him, you know, him want to be on this front
Tell
area.
somebody send him to you know.
I could somebody too. Yes, I could have somebody
the
for sure.
community are not safe then.
No,
You
yourself,
not
man.
safe.
Come on.
But for you there now, officer, me I go feel safe. Because
Exactly.
if he just come little earlier, you don't catch him.
And you know, I was just in the area trying to sort out some business up the road, because I wonder where's backup, and we're supposed to do a
Imagine.
Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself.
Don't put things some money there in their bank.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, so it's a 6:30, okay with you?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so 6:30 I'm gonna come by. Your sister isn't here.
No, she's not there.
She's not there today.
She come.
Alright, so 6:30 I'm gonna pass back and make sure everything is alright.
Alright.
And just get ready, put on something nice, and I'm gonna have a talk.
Put on something nice.
Don't worry about it, man.
But
Just
you
put
say
on
you
something
don't
nice.
sound like you hear the talk, say I'm here. Put on something sexy and something nice.
Yeah, man, let's put on something nice. We have to talk and have a is this your plate, ma'am? Is your plate?
Yes, officer come in there, come out with me plate and why me tell you,
Don't worry
don't be
yourself, man.
frightened.
Don't
You
worry
are the
yourself.
gunman, you know.
No, man, it's just a common you know, little criminal in the place. Don't worry yourself. So,
Officer, make
ma'am,
sure you catch him for me.
I'm gonna catch him right now, because that's what I do.
And
That's
he
my
deserve
job.
a powerful beating.
Yes, ma'am. No worry yourself. Alright, so we shall talk. Here?
Yeah.
6:30, I'll come
Alright.
back for you, alright? You're going good, the boy, you're going good. Yes, boss.
Here it is.
What do you mean? I see you're doing a good job. You have a permit? You have a permit to paint right here, sir?
Yes.
You have a permit, alright. Make sure you're not checking it out very soon. Make sure everything legit. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, have a good day. Money idol.
Yo.
Oh, you are going good, man. What you mean, sister? Out of, you a cameraman? Out of all the things, them, why you going to have to teach this or something?
Because you know, say certain things in it there, I'm not even think it value nothing. So I'm just take this because you know some people don't want it on the beach.
On the beach? Well, that's a good idea, but guess what? You did a good job, but why you have to rob that house? You shouldn't go any other house in the neighborhood, you know?
But you know,
That
say
house is
you-
kind of under my jurisdiction.
No,
and I want to
no,
get
no,
in.
no,
But you did a good job. That's what I'm saying. I like
Okay,
it.
better you say that.
Yeah, man, you did a good job. And if you work in, you must get paid, right?
That is it.
So, based on how much means you work? You work for? Alright, I'm gonna give you $2,050.
$2,050
Yeah, man, $2,050.
for just this.
Yeah, man.
But
So-
you know say you work more than this though.
You don't worry about this work. You know what I mean? I work, you work. So take your time and go on. So, hear me, I say. You see tomorrow, you have a phone?
Yeah, man.
Alright, call me, right? And when you call me, then we organize the next work. But you go on, you're doing a good job. Very good job, I like that. Because, you know, right now, based on what is going on, it looks like I might have a date even later. So, I might pay you more. Tomorrow, I might give you extra $50, alright? So you can buy something, you know, for yourself. But that's all.
That sound good because my woman out there want something too.
You want something? Or yourself, man. Alright, take yourself fast. Leave the lane right now. So you take your time and go on. You understand? Worry about this. Alright?
Yeah, man. Public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation. Officer Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free, Officer Smiley, yeah.
Share. Share. You see? Look at this.
Oh, Jesus Christ, thank you
see?
so much, officer. Thank
Oh
you
my
so much.
God.
Jesus Christ, not even a scratch.
I tell you, man, you see, that's why you see, anytime the chief
Thank
one
you
day
so
pass
much.
through, I wanted to tell him that I'm doing my job. So I want to see you 6:30 later on. I don't know if that's still
I
confirmed.
know we start take a picture with you holding in your hand, but Jesus, thank
tell
you
you.
so much, officer.
All right, you
So,
see that?
officer, where catch him?
I run through a bush, through a common. There was some fowl and some puss around here, so. And why you laughing? You think it's joke?
Because I imagine, so go on.
No, man, it's a real thing. So guess what now? I run through a common, some goat and puss up there, so. And I had to, you know, maneuver You know, that train when I do, you know, it's very complicated.
Oh,
so I have to jump
boom,
over.
you can't end something there.
Poof a
What?
lick.
But you're a
Yes.
bad officer,
I tell you,
man.
man,
Give you
if you
strike.
ain't see me, you're proud of me. I tell you.
You
So you
get
are
the
going.
strike,
So
man.
later everything confirmed, right?
Everything confirmed.
Yeah, man. So 6:30, I'll come pick you up.
So you still
See,
want
I'm
the
a type.
meeting?
Yes, we have to meet up, we have to talk, right?
Talk about this.
Yeah, man, we talk about that and so much more, right?
Alright,
So,
you
ma'am,
understand.
it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure seeing
man,
you.
it's a
And
pleasure,
as usual, it's, you know, I want to see you later and things. So we talk. You notice, what you call it, sister? And,
She not come back yet. She called me, say she depend on me. I don't know what the other girl know. If me not beat him and sitting around.
I just want to know that this place is secure. You understand what I'm saying?
Thanks again,
Yeah, man, no
We
problem. man.
appreciate it.
No problem. And you are appreciated. I'll see you later.
And
man.
make sure you call me.
Yes, ma'am, I will call you.
Thank you so much. Because you know community can protect we.
Yes, ma'am. That is what I'm here for. My name is Officer Smiley, and that is my duty for the day. All right?
All right.
So I'll see you very soon. I'm gonna do some more work. Yes, so you are going now. Them are lane, and me run it. See? Them are operation. When you're up on the operation, you pull over people. You have one thing where you say right or left. You understand? You see, right or left situation means say, if you want me for right, you take it. And the left means say, if you want me left, means say, give me your money and left. You understand? So when you give me say right or left, you know what I mean? You just step back based on the answer. If they say yes, you step back. If they say, where you going, officer? You step forward because I want to show them authority. You understand? That's how we do it, sir. Yeah, man, them lane
You
and
know,
my
say
lane.
me knew a star just send me out to see what I go on the road, so me just there study it.
Yeah, man, I'm secure. Oh, you're secure, man. Don't worry. You're here with Officer Smiley. You know what I mean? So, wait. Come on, you come up here with it.
It's a market.
Markets? Hmm?
Like a chopper.
You talk about chop, you talk about money, you know. Kind of nervous still, but you ready?
Yeah, man, ready.
Now, man, if you step out, not sure.
Alright.
Hold on. Let me step out. Man, step out. Switch off the engine! Yeah!
Yes, officer, what one?
Hello. No. You don't step out of the vehicle. I am the one responsible for this operation right now. So anything I tell you, you do. You understand? Who the hell is calling me? Wait. Sarge, you know, say, I don't know the person, yeah? But it's a serious operation. All right. Listen to me now. My name is Officer Smiley. Do you know why I pulled you over, sir?
No, my boss. What one?
You see, based on having a market in this area, means that something is happening. So, as I said, my name is Officer Smiley, and I want to know if everything is okay with the vehicle. Everything is straight?
Yes, boss. Everything good with the man.
All right, let me see some of the papers, Wait. Who's that over there, sir?
You know, I'm a friend.
Your friend?
Give me this a gear drop out of our yard.
You jump out of my yard?
Yeah.
All right, make sure you say, give me the papers. Let me show you the papers. Show me the papers. Oh, friend. That the girl there? I don't mean no friend.
You want to see license, my boss?
Yeah, man, need a license, sir. You see, no, we got to pressure him because it's just a motor car. And I suppose it's a motor car. I suppose it's a motor vehicle.
Yeah.
What are you doing, sir? Hey, what are you doing? Look, you see? You have him papers.
Yeah,
you have
documents.
everything, so we have to hold him. So you see this I want to know?
Have to come back, man.
Have to
Can't
co-
drive without him.
May I tell you? Don't worry about it. I hope he can come back though. You think I'm bad man?
Nobody.
By how he look, if he's a bad man?
Sure, that's all a little craft, man.
You sure?
You see my run.
Cause guess I know, you see the girl right on the passenger side? And she named Jade, she live right beside. She live with Sherry. I'm supposed to have one little date with Sherry later on. I wonder if this can match up the situation. You think so?
Nothing, so man.
You think so?
Just talk her into it, man.
Alright, cause guess I know, I'm in a them situation and I like them mix up business there. But you are going, me keep the papers there, or you want to keep it?
You know, me keep it
You
at
keep
Cargo
it?
Station, yeah, man.
Alright, carry go to station and tell Sarge. No. Maybe carry go to station. I know you go tell Sarge say you do all these good deeds, alright? So what you do now, you go on a station. and tell Sarge me soon come with the papers. Alright?
Alright, big boss.
And then me will call you and tell you what I want. Yes, boss. Alright? But you want to carry papers. I'm going to take your props and me name. That's the man I've been looking for. You don't worry about that. What's up, Blocks? How you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine, sir. How you doing?
Been a while I haven't seen you, you know. Yeah, what up now? I'm at work for you. See?
Yeah.
You see this community? I've been told that too much peace is going on in this place. You understand? Too much peace, yeah. So basically I want to you know, how should I say it? Create havoc. Let me just go straight to it, right? And the only way I can have my job, because my chief only sent me down here for some reason, I don't know why. So the only way I can create havoc in this place is if somebody kind of do the badness. You understand? So I don't know if you can organize yourself. I wanted to do something today. You understand? What I wanted to do is, because yesterday I had this youngster called Money Idol. Manners and respect, boss. Everything good? Alright, see him, sir. Oh, you mean? That's how we do it. So we do it. Yes, man. All him I want to have him to do some badness to, but you know, he look too clean. You know, people now take him serious. You understand? Where you are going now? The boy Money Idol, him go in one house and broke your house, but he not fit the part. You understand what I say? I mean, so how you look right now, one thing, you fit the part. Someone you do is to bad up one young girl along the road. Her name is Jada, right? And you go bad her up. Yeah, you understand? And then me I will come in and just, you know, go on. Me not go do nothing too rough. You know what I mean? Me might just lock you up, but me go release you right away. Because I must stay at work here. You understand? So, when if you just rough her up, and then after you rough her up, then you know, then go call police, right? But guess what now? Me go on the scene. You understand? So if you do that, you know. So come on. But as I say, you get paid. You know. So money is in the business. Alright? So come in, Mr. Blacks. But you agree to it?
Well, since you say, man, you're doing something, man. I'm going to work and explain yourself. So maybe just work with it.
Alright, so you have to shake on it, you know. Is it a deal? A deal is a deal, you know. Deal? Alright, sir. Let's go. So her name is Jada.
Yeah, you want a small bottle of water, please?
You don't got a big one, you know.
Can't manage it.
You want some water?
Yeah, give me a can water.
My girl, what are you doing, sir? Huh? You get money from me now, yes?
I know you.
What do you mean?
Look at this.
Come on!
Look at from my thief! Hey boy, give me my phone.
You really take her phone?
Where
Brother, give her her phone right now.
I know your phone, the boss.
Let me say no my phone then.
That's to pull me phone. Look if you see me.
Give me the phone now. Hey, boy, say give me the phone, man. Understand? Is that? Yo, everything. Hello, miss. You get your phone. Hold this and cool out. Go cool out. Go, Mr. Go cool out, down, sir. Backstage there.
Go catch you, wait.
Hello, be yourself and go, some man.
Go catch you.
Come, gentlemen. Come. You see things like this? You keep heads. You're going good, man. You're going good. I'm soon pay. Here, go on. Hello, I'm going to tell you something, man. You see me catch you back for the damn lane? I'll lock you up. here, come here, come here.
Yeah, pull me so. What's here?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, officer.
You see, I'll thunder strike right now when I touch your hand. You know what I mean? Because it's a special connection. But here we are going. I just save her, you know, and see this is how she treated me. You understand? You see why badness is not good for this community?
I don't understand what I'm going to say. What kind of badness you talk about? You know what is badness?
Alright, hear what happened now. Me just save her while because this hoodlum up the road just take her phone from her. And she's still looking at me like I'm doing something wrong. I don't understand you.
You stop me for?
What do you mean, me stop you?
Stop be nice. Stop be nice. Officer help you, you're supposed to respect that.
I mean, I said that is my job.
Mash me that go mash up your boy face. So you tap me for?
My boy, you go mash me. If you mash up in face, me I'll come for you and lock you up.
I go who?
Of course you, because that's an assault.
You understand?
Assault?
Yes, even though somebody...
I said different. When you take on my phone for?
Well, I didn't see that part, you know. So
you feel so when time you get yourself not trouble, me I go run in and help you. You need to know yourself. Obey the officer.
Almost a simple thank you.
You don't even know when you left out of house. You see if you get yourself in a problem, little girl.
I shop, I go buy a juice.
You go shop, alright, take your time and go on in and enjoy your day. Because I guess I know. No. You go on in and go on, just soon come.
What's going on?
Well, you see, I want you to understand that in these times, you know, I am relevant in this place. You know what I mean? My name is Officer Smiley, you know, and it's a pleasure to see you.
We don't know what we do without you in this community.
That's exactly what I'm talking about. So,
respect you and I appreciate you, you know. But this little girl don't know herself.
don't worry about her, man. She alright. Because even yesterday, I stopped her in a one car. You know, so she drive in one Mark X come yesterday.
What you say?
She drive in one Mark X. Yeah, a police, that's a police. Yeah. I'm a police. You have to inform and tell people the right thing. Yes, I see her in a Mark X come here yesterday.
Look here.
So is something wrong with that?
You put looking word to me.
Me feel you need Jesus. You need Jesus.
Come go on in here.
Oh God, me can't do this.
Ma'am, you are going. You are going.
Something to her.
What I'm gonna do now, ma'am, is I'm gonna take on myself because I have to get back to work. But I would love to see you later on if that's okay.
I can see me later.
I can see you later? Alright, ma'am. So I'll talk to you later, alright? Have a good day. I'm gonna call you later.
And keep on doing the good work.
Yes, ma'am, that's what I do. You know what I mean? That's my 100% work and job, alright?
But you're nice, man.
Look at all of this. First time over here. Boy, you see, I want to be honest with you. I never feel like this before. You know what I mean?
This is nature.
Never. No nature me talk about. You me talk about.
Me? Officer, easy. Oh God.
But guess what I'm going now?
You know, say something about your sleeve, you know, you.
No, man, I rate it naturally, man. So, you know what I mean?
Make me a blush.
Doing my job is just something, you know, where you make me enjoy doing my job to take care of you. Because, you know, for me, it's to serve and protect, you know what I mean? And
True.
But,
so you are serve and protect?
yeah, because I feel like...
For me?
Yeah. Because guess I know, you see, even talking to you, make me feel like I want to stop the thief, you know?
So, officer, you're a thief?
No, it's like, I want to be honest with you, because, you know, some stuff when go on, you know, back in the days, and, you know, yeah, hustle. I don't call it thief, I call it hustle. I stop it hustling. You know what I mean? Because sometimes when you see some stuff, and it's right there, you don't want to take it. You know what I mean? If it's something where you can get for your benefit. You understand? Nobody knows see. But I don't do it again still. That's something I said to myself, I never do it again.
Yeah, because if you want me, you have to go top thief.
Yeah, exactly. You can't have a police or thief. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
That makes no sense. You know, can you imagine police that can lock me up? Eh?
I am police.
I'm a police.
No, I'm not feel good about that.
So you remember to do now? I'm going to just make you enjoy your walk. Just walk around and look at the police.
Well, up there so look beautifully. Oh, God.
I enjoy this moment with you. You want to go up there? Come on, walk up there.
Kind of look far though.
Come on. Take your time. You can flick? You can flick?
Yeah.
Let's see your flick.
Let me show you.
Take your time, take your time. Come on. You want to go front way?
No, I'm not go front.
Come on. I guess I know. But I really want to talk to your sister because I don't really want she to have me like a bad person. Because today I try to save her, you know. Try to save her, but for some reason she feel like say me do all kind of badness.
You know, so she not here because I never know when she left out her yard. Believe you,
never know.
Me don't know when this girl left yard.
And
she get herself in a trouble. Because I realized that era there, I don't want normal era.
No, normal clean trouble. Alright, so guess what I'm going to do? Because I don't really want to say, boy, I'm come in, but I don't love to come even have dinner or so, you know, when I'm there.
Why?
So just talk to your
It's kind of
sister.
shocking and just sudden, but
Come on, if it takes your hand
feel
and see.
nice to have a good officer man, you know.
Yes.
I'm well protected.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, it's a dinner tomorrow?
Yeah, dinner tomorrow.
Dinner tomorrow. Come in. I don't want the rain, come.
Yeah, it look like we go far, but we have to go set one next evening. We can go out and go somewhere different.
Come on, enjoy every moment with them. You know what I mean?
Okay. Over here, son there. Okay.
Why you trail me for?
Come here, young lady.
Me no set one up.
Why you trail me? Me no left it on the yard a while ago.
Auntie Candy no want thing about the police boy.
Girl,
Yeah.
shh, stop it now. Take time to warm to you. Why you trail
He no good.
What do you mean me not good? What do you do for your save you?
7 minutes you come a yard, you circle on the
No, it's just the lane one.
One sister.
She's very nice. And I would
Me no want
her.
to tell my family.
Jada, stop it nice.
Cool, man.
I'll leave the man alone.
Just give me a chance, man.
Let
Let
me
me prove to you that I am the number one. You understand? And don't act like say you don't trust me. You understand? You have to learn to trust me.
Yes. Me know
Learn to
where-
trust the police.
No, what you want from
can't
me
believe this.
sister?
What you want from me?
Sex you want from me sister?
God have
So,
mercy. Calm down, officer. Don't make you send up your blood pressure. What did that little girl? That up nice.
touch her again, touch her again, touch her again.
Sure.
Remember me I go for Auntie Candy, go stay for a
You
weekend.
cannot say a word else me I have it out.
Jada, just trust man, trust the police officer, yeah? Go back in your yard.
You don't want the officer in our life, so you can't feel protected. That was a girl here. Come on, what she chill me for? You ready?
Yes, yeah, come on.
Rena, come. And she go wet up, you know. She go wet up. Boy, me a tell-
Officer Smiley. Yeah, man. Public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films. Paradise Nation. Officer Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free. Officer Smiley, yeah. What's really going on? When you see me working, there still gotta be hustling. When you see me working, you know you gotta pay a fee. Don't come around my way if you're not willing to pay. Officer Smiley don't play, no, 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 no. Officer Smiley, Smiley, ain't no smile for free. Officer Smiley.
Jada, come here. What you do down here? So I don't run as you live.
No,
Your sister know which part you there?
no.
So where they do on the road, Jada, you want?
You know, say you man, I walk on my contract.
You sure say me a contract?
Yes.
What you want now?
You don't know what I go on. After me here, I tell my sister, say me today with the local policeman. And me chill them till see two of them I come from a golf course. Hold hand and I sweet up on them so there.
Jada, you see when you hear me tell your sister say enough with the weeds, Officer Smiley, you is a child. Take yourself out of big people's story. And a matter of fact, if you see two big people they walk,
Hey, you know in uniform clothes, plain clothes, a date they go on.
so Jada, your sister can't talk to nobody. If it him and Officer Smiley there,
Me don't like them man there, him and him there, they roll up and
you see your sister hold up.
yes, a date they go on, go catch them.
You don't see Officer Smiley kiss her. Nobody tell no lie now, you know, because any how she there with that man there, me and her a big problem, me and her.
Yeah, me see them kiss.
You two eye
Me
them.
two eye them.
We
Me
got
see them
you.
kiss. Yeah.
You sure say two eye them we got you?
Yes. Me see them. And I hold hand. So, see them so. I like them man there. Every day I come down the yard. Every day I come down the yard. Every day I see me on the road.
Look how me want your sister. I said that man there, if you leave that man alone and don't there with that man there, because that man there look, everybody here used to look me to me, want her. Seriously?
But I want to serve and protect.
Serve and protect. So, then go on date.
Yes,
me just want to get this thing straight, you know, if they go on date with you, because I need to talk to your sister.
Then go on date.
Me no want your sister and me a friend, you know, long time. And me no want your sister there with that man there. That man there want Ginal.
Me I tell you, when me see, then when me say, oh, okay, me catch you now. The local police him a talk about. Him nice. I tell me about him nice and
who nice?
Can't get. No, so him that tell me.
Say him, Officer Smiley nice.
After me don't catch them.
We used to tell me see all him. You see the one Officer Smiley, anytime me see him now go like it. And he know say me and him not depend on good grounds already.
Meeting come down the yard.
Like serious thing gonna look my friend. And the boy did look me too, you know. I turn him down. Me turn him down straight. But the worst part of it, the drunker is a thief.
Hey! Hey, me want me sister.
No, listen to this. My mind tell me say, him a thief. Because I miss me money.
Every police is a thief.
No, all of them a thief. I know that video.
You gotta buy me out.
I lie.
See me on that June plum tree. I pay me money but me fi direct him where you there. Where you live.
Eh? I buy you out. And they ask you where me live. Why you want to know where me live? Me and him are no friend. My mind tell me say that dirty boy they a thief. Any money you take it from him, but me go tell you say no, every police a thief. Cause my uncle is not a thief and him a police.
You give me 3,000 and I'm just taking a runway with it. And look who idiot.
So give me 2,000 out. That's not fair.
Money done.
But I'm my name you use and get it, you know. Feel line him up which family live. You never tell him where me live.
But I know me tell him.
How? Your sister. Your sister tell him and you collect 3,000 and don't give me no note there.
He give me sister 5,000 and say if you come up, you give him another 5. Right. And my sister directing and telling everything arrange also you live in every big house.
So much money he have. I wonder if I'm money that little dirty boy the thief and be up here sheer up gay woman. I want to know where I live now if he come back on thief again. Wait man, when I tell him where I live, make him come to my yard. Me did it wait and prepare and plan for him. Wait till him come. Make him come to my yard. If he thinking bad, make him come to my yard. You know, so enough he played me already, you know. Me and him can't agree from day one. And that thing if you know, oh. You know what? A matter of fact, end the story about this dirty Officer Smiley.
Me gone.
Me I go about my business. You see it? As you can see, as some me did I go buy something to care for me and come.
Don't call me name?
Call which name? Me can't tell him so me turn up one side and hear when him ask you where me live and me take me 2 years when he give you 3 grand and give me friend 5 grand but me walk away and not make it easy.
Don't tell sister say I tell you say
them. Me not tell her nothing. Me not tell her nothing. No worry yourself because you know say any you me tell her she kill you with lick. Me gone. See you later. Thanks for telling me. You hear?
Yes.
Alright. Yes. Thank you for telling me.
Alright.
Yeah.
How are you there?
You know, long I've been waiting. Eh? I've been at the road because we need to do the blast, the roadblock. Eh? Why you late? That's why I can't take these new people on the job, you know. Yeah, man. We need to get the thing done. Today is a good day to do the roadblock. That's what the chief said and that's what the chief wants. So I don't understand why is it that you're so late. Huh? What you say now?
What's the time for meet you again?
Yeah, man, with the right of the lane. Same lane, that's up. Different spot because we change the location. What do you call that place? Molasses Avenue? Yeah, Molasses Avenue, right at the corner.
Alright. Me a forward then, yeah.
If you come from that same tree, I'll see you walking on the... See you coming on the road, eh? Yeah. Alright. Yeah. To them young people. See them, man. Come in, man. Don't understand this, you know. You can't be so late, you know.
You don't understand, you know. And where don't a chuku me a come from, you know. Remember say chief no give me no Ivan or something, you know.
But you have to understand, say, when you come on to Chuku, Ruku and Moko, you have to be on time. Because supposed to ride car past, you know. See that? Then can't even drive. Come on, you come this way. You want to support that time, man? I'm for support. You have a gun. What? Why not your window, sir? Yes, sir. Where you go? Why not your window? Turn the vehicle. Give me the key.
Because we know how they drive, you know.
Sir, where's the key? Where's the key for the vehicle?
I mean, I drive one.
Hello, give me the key for the vehicle. Yes, sir. Give me the key. Need to have the key in my hand, sir. My name is Officer Smiley. This is a typical roadblock. I don't want to call. Well, backup is here already. See that? And I need to give me the key, sir.
I guess I will step out the vehicle, boss.
No, give me the key first. When you give me the key, you can step out the vehicle. So give me the key and step out the vehicle, sir.
Oh, God.
What's the matter with this man? Huh?
Boss, if you had a key before...
Give me the key, sir.
Open up.
What is the matter, man? Alright, come on that vehicle.
Come here, we have to say.
Yeah, man, give me the key. Yeah, man, so you are going now. This is the reason why I had to take the key, because the last time I stopped a hoodlum, I would say, he drove away the vehicle, and I'm not in the chase for today. Last time I tear on my pants and all these things. As this officer, you know, on the scene for the first time, I can't make this happen again. So what is your name, sir?
Oh, my name is Spoony, man.
Your name is Spoony?
Mm-hmm.
And that is what is on your birth certificate? Huh?
Russian, sir.
Russian, alright, Russian. I see you have a passenger in the vehicle. I'm going to ask this question, sir. Is there anything illegal in the vehicle that you know that I need to know about?
But you know, say it's a policeman me I work for though.
Policeman you work for? Well, that means it's not good on, but make sure, say, when we find it's a vehicle right now, and nothing illegal.
Yeah, because we're going to do a check right now.
Alright, you are going now. Moyo, stand up there, sir. Hold your gun. Take out your gun because I don't trust them boy right now. So we're stand right here, sir. Let's stand right here. Don't move, sir. Watch me while I search a vehicle. Come on, I'm going to put... A passenger, could you step out the vehicle, please? Just step out the vehicle, sir.
The police boy, man.
Don't worry about the police boy, yeah?
Hello,
step out the vehicle. Have some respect. You know, we're talking to Officer Smiley, you know.
I have to respect me, boss.
All right.
Yeah, man.
You come here, sir, and watch what's going on. Seems that everything is alright on this side. What's the brother then?
What do you man? Let go from me, police officer. What do
That you deal with? Make sure you find another vehicle.
You take me and your girl, man.
Boy, on the vehicle smell all that weed and then something. Officer! Hold on for the boy there. Cause them have gun in the car. Come here, sir. So you want me to tell me, say, you don't have nothing to do with this?
Do it, officer, what you talk about?
Are you gun this?
Gun officer, you tell me a passenger.
You're a passenger?
A passenger.
Alright, go back that way.
But you can't let me in my place.
Yeah, you say.
I know where you're
so if you stay right here, so you're going to be under arrest. You say a passenger, leave right now. May I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4,
Yeah, Officer
3,
Smiley, me no like
2,
you.
1. You have to like me. Me I do my work. Step away. Officer, camera, sir.
I said they said you.
Walk up.
All right. I want you to tell me this and tell me this easy. Right? My name is Officer Smiley. I'm based on the situation. Leave the situation. Hey, based on the situation, there's a gun right there and it's loaded. You understand me? Is this gun yours?
You don't tell say I want policeman car, boss.
I want policeman car.
So I don't know if I film gun.
You know if I film gun?
I don't know if I film gun.
So I don't know if I film gun or fear gun. That's my problem right now.
I don't know, because you open your find gun, I film me tell you, I work for me, I don't know if no Indy left gun.
You believe that man? Yeah?
I don't believe in my inch, you know.
Alright, you go to know. How much money I find you? You have money for you?
I got money for me, boss.
Boy,
You're salt.
You goose cook my boss. So guess what I have to do? We have a call in pound. I have to pound the car and we have a call few people them. Yes, hello? Yes, boss. We have a situation down here now where we find a gun on the seat of the car and the driver and the passenger.
Officer Smiley, do not let the passenger leave. And if you let the passenger leave, you're a damn idiot.
What you say, I should make the passenger leave? But Chief, the passenger tell me say he have nothing to do with it.
Listen, me man. What if it's the passenger's gun? Do not let the passenger leave either.
So you say maybe a passenger gun?
How we
making. Alright, boss. I think I need to call you back, sir.
Do not call me back. Carry the damn people and come to our station.
So I'm gonna check on the information and call you right back, sir. Yes, sir. Officer, I think if we do the situation.
One are we hold him and one go after the other.
Chief, I say we are idiot, you know. I'm not idiot, you know. Yo, here we go. Yo. Where can you do for yourself? Eh?
You can't do for me.
You have money?
You know, so I give them 10,000 for the operation.
Then give you 10,000 for the operation? What kind of operation? Where money there?
I saw things they give me.
Where money there?
Top pocket.
Money in top pocket? 10, 15, 20. You can't count.
I see a 10.
Alright, here what you got to do.
It probably means a 10 for me, a 10 for you.
Go on. We won't talk about that. See this now? We will keep it. I might see somebody more like you where we have to go do a little thing and maybe. We'll take it off the street, that's the first thing, because I'm a police.
Left back a thing with
Left back a thing?
No, man, I will catch you with
Alright, here what you going to do now? See? You're going to go back in your vehicle, you're going to drive off.
You don't have to give me a key, boss.
Give her which key?
You don't have a key.
You have a key?
So you can't move.
Yeah, you're right.
How you can't drive it?
You go on and talk to me, you chat too much. You chat too much. Hey, a jailwork this I know. I want to know if I jail if you can't go right now.
Come on.
Eh? I want to say stealing there.
No, yeah, let me carry do, bossy. You say make a passenger gone to backside.
Passenger gone? Go so, and make sure you left off the place. Come in, squad.
I know me see your face back round you, so you know.
You hear that? We don't want to see my face when I can't say again. I'm good gun, the boy having him, I carry it in. Come in now. Here we are going. You suffer me. You suffer me. You suffer me. You suffer.
No. No. The two of we fish here equal.
You see if chief hear about this, you pay for it?
Me go inform if you don't give me 5 grand.
You inform? Police to police, we can't do something.
Police.
Put him back a gun.
Give me back the 5 grand.
No, listen to me, I say. No.
Right.
Here we are going. You can't do that. Officer, we have worked together.
Then no, that me assure
no,
you
but
we
here,
work together.
this a five for the man who couldn't see where I'm going. You understand? The same brother. So, alright, I give you 5,000 now, because I guess I know.
The man care too mean.
You can't believe say you really talk about say inform for me and me there work. Me your partner, you know. You understand me? I say you're new for the work, you know.
Fear.
No, so you share fear now. So what now?
Yeah, fear.
Alright,
So
here we go.
chat now.
Alright, here we go now. You go down a station. Or tell chief say, it's a tie gun. Right? It's a tie gun you find.
Clear, yeah.
And clear everything. See? But put in your gun now. Because you look like you want discharge. You want to get a gun now?
You know what? How me think I do?
I don't have a station. You go. Me not going to station right now. No, I'm going to check my woman.
You go and keep a woman there for your head. How we do out there work?
No, we done work basically. Because we do something and go on.
Boy, you want 50.
Here where you go on. Go on a station. And me that station so station
So where you go down the road so
my woman they down there so you go on a
right.
station. Yeah?
I hope you cover for me when time I go look for me man tomorrow. I hope you
I
cover.
have a problem with that.
All right.
Angle your bangle. Yes, sir. And we
Me
talk.
see you.
Just remember to hold your mouth.
Officer Smiley. Yeah, man. Public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation. Officer Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free, Officer Smiley, yeah. What's really going on? When you see me working, there still gotta be hustling. When you see me working, you know you gotta pay a fee.
I want now, what am I doing now? Why you promise to like me do something?
How you mean if you do me something? You know how me glad me buck you? Me not understand you. How you feel look me and go and look my friend?
Me?
What you mean you?
Me and look you?
Why you look my friend? You did look me and me turn it down now you go and look my friend. You is not a good man. Dirty Officer Smiley. You me a talk to. So now look round like I say no you. And why you invisible now?
I must have called you talk. This is a big coincidence. I don't understand. You talk about me don't understand what going on. Let me tell you something. You see, my job is very important to me, you know, and I do my job very well. You understand me? And I don't understand why you see me on my job right now. You want to stop me for something of your interest. What is that in your mind? Please tell me.
Leave me spit it out. Me tell you if you not look my friend. And you still got PR money. Eh? You all they give Jada money. Me take me to where and see you.
You see?
Me see you give me Jada count out $3,000 give her sister and her smaller sister. Oh you give that little pitney the money. If you do what? Eh? Actually, me never hear where they ask her say, but me know some hear when you call me name. He come like they ask her say where part me live. And she feel direct you, but me not sure. Why you give her money? Me not sure, but something like that you did that do.
Wait.
You not even know how close me did there. You even give me friend. Must be 5,000 and tell him how you come back and give him 3. Oi, let me tell you something you know. That the girl that wrong girl you go give you money for the with. She have her man, she don't want you. And that me they tell you if you never know. You understand me?
So, hold on. Sure you have man? As in, have man? Wait, can me understand. But the thing is this, if me want to look sure in this time, why is it a problem to you? Yes, I can confess. At the time, you know, you were the browning on the area and I really liked you and I wanted to talk to you. But you're not interested because Big Boy was always there and blah, 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 and all these things. So you never give me a chance then and I don't want a chance. No, I am now talking to her as a friend and we want to see how far we can take the situation. So I don't understand why is it that you're sticking me up like you are doing my job, which is an officer, and trying to tell me.
Officer Smiley.
Yes, ma'am.
Your woman at your yard knows so you walk and look so much woman.
No. Listen to me.
What's the woman you used to look before me? Me turn it down and go and look my friend.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I have a second to explain the situation?
Talk if you want.
You sure me have a woman in my yard? That's the first thing. Yeah. You sure? Is sure that I have a woman at my yard?
Hello.
Do you or did you or have you ever come to my yard? Do you know
you know so the situation? Like talk to dummy. Me not like talk to jackass, you know.
Tell you this.
Cause them kind of language where you are put down now, you know, me not understand it, but me know say you have a woman in your yard.
Yes, sir.
Me see your woman, me pass the yard enough time and see your woman.
You pass me yard?
So who that over your yard? Me pass and see her over there enough time. And who that? Are your mama?
Hold on. Let me tell you this.
You love tell me to hold on.
Yes, just hold on. Hold on.
And one thing with the hold on pan, but it's not yours.
My
you
God.
know, so me turn it down.
Alright.
What if burn me, you go and look my friend?
I mean, I say you must, it hurt you?
Yeah, it hurt me because that friend is like a sister to me.
Hold on, you see, I need to get back on my job because you obviously doing your own little jolly, having your own little jolly time doing your own little thing. I am working and I need to get back to my job. So ma'am, I'm Miss Candy. I hope you have a wonderful day. Whoever is spreading this rumor, because I know you weren't there. You want to tell me that you saw me handing $3,000 to one person and then $5,000 to one person?
Yes, me hear you. Me did hide somewhere.
You don't worry about that. You don't worry about that.
Promise the next one that I'm a friend, the bigger one, $3,000.
Listen to me. You don't worry about that. Have a wonderful day, ma'am. I have to get back to my work. Enjoy yourself.
Smiley.
Yes,
remember, say me know you before my friend know you. Me know you little general self for a long time. You think me not know you?
You being physical?
You think I
you being physical?
You call me. Physical?
Let me tell you this. I'm going to leave this here.
You think I call you? Don't talk when me I talk your face. How you feel? Say you don't know police. You're not no police, so I'm not address you as no police.
So what is this?
You have your woman here, they not stop calling me phone. Who to tell her, so you call me French, and I call another woman, another one. You're jiggaloo police, you're not no decent police. Could you too? You need to left from Jamaica and left out here. Which police? I don't know what government take you and put you in a come out of force, I will put you in a uniform.
Have a good day.
Who put you in a uniform?
The officer.
No worry yourself, you will call back my phone again and beg me.
No yourself.
Me not go give you.
Me don't need to call back your phone. Me don't need your number again. You understand?
One way you go to dirty foot police.
You were.
Look where your uniform will crush up and all.
You don't worry about that.
Uniform can't even fit you.
Have a good day. Have a good day, man.
Go about your business. I told me not to with you again. Go about your business. Tell them about it. Wait. Number one, me name want to in the first place. I mean, now go about that. If we do one there with you. Go along by your business, little dirty foot police foot boy. Hey boy, but beard. Look how you care yourself and boy, your police. You don't know what you're doing in the post. Whoever want to hold me about for years, say you're dirty foot police. Jiggaloo police.
Good evening, ma'am. How you doing, ma'am?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I'm looking for the whereabouts of this person that lives on this property, right?
Sir, nobody no jump me fence. I mean, no thief no jump me fence. You so tall, they have to protect me and keep out people like you.
All right, miss. Listen to me. I am not here for trouble. I'm not trying to create a problem.
Don't come too close to me gate, because me know why you put gun for me and say me a shoot out.
No, listen, ma'am. All right, let's have a conversation out there in the open, ma'am. Please, let me have a talk with over here. So I'm the police. My name is Officer Smiley. I'm sorry I didn't come here and identify myself. I want to know the whereabouts of this person, and if you're gonna resist giving me information, you can be in problems, ma'am. So I would like to.
I'm not informer. I'm not going to inform nobody. Informer get pipe pie, and I don't want to get no pipe pie. Officer, right now the rain is falling, I'm not going to make no rain wet me up, you know, so.
Listen, ma'am.
Have a wonderful day.
I'm a police officer, I'm not going to tell you again. I need to have a conversation with you over here, ma'am. And if you make me have to call them boy in a blue, it's not going to be pretty on you.
Police brutality, why?
This is not a
murder!
Miss, calm down. Don't call no crowd for me. I don't need no crowd at this time. Come on and raise my talk.
Don't raise your voice for me, officer.
I'm not raising my voice, ma'am. I need to just work with the situation. Follow the system.
Give me a bill and tell you what you want to hear.
Miss, this situation is not about $100 right now, right? I want you to tell me, because you can get even more money if everything works out the way it's supposed to work.
Hold on, let me catch my clothes.
Yes, ma'am. So here we are going now. As I said before, my name is Officer Smiley, right? I need to find the whereabouts of Richard Brown. You know if Richard Brown lived in this place?
No, don't know that name.
You don't know Richard Brown?
Mm-mm.
And you have no idea of the person. Let me explain it to you, right? We were in a spot check, right? And this person run away, drive off, and left them papers. But the address shows that the person lives over here.
So you're trying to tell me? Say my brother, lick and run.
Oh, he's a brother?
No, don't know him.
Let me tell you something, right? This brother of yours, is he is a scammer? He have enough money? Money running him?
Asifa.
So you call me Asifa now?
Me is not
disrespectful now. Let me tell you something about Officer Smiley here, right? I'm here doing my business and my job. And if you're gonna create the scene...
If you did do it right, you wouldn't come and ask me for nobody. You wouldn't know who is who, what is what, and where is where. So don't ask me any question. And don't raise a voice at me.
All right, ma'am. I'm gonna say this to you in a very professional manner. All right. So your brother is basically wanted by the police, and you're aware of this situation, right?
He not kill nobody, so what you want him for?
Listen, he not kill nobody. But based on the situation, when he drive away, we don't know what is in the vehicle, what is he hiding, and all these things, right? And since he's a brother, you know, and you live in this area, so it's just a town alone living in over here. It won't alone.
Me and him alone. But daddy they left the place, Gilly.
Oh, the dad left. Okay. What I'm gonna do, ma'am, I'm gonna have to take a number, right? I wanna take a number. I'm gonna call you, and I'm gonna give you all the information that you need. Basically, I'm going to, because if you tell me everything based on the fact that your brother, bringing in stuff and have money, it can be beneficial to the both of us. So I want you to put your number in this phone. And when you put your number in the phone, I'm gonna call you. And when I call you, you understand the situation. All right?
Officer.
The $100 where you beg me, it can be 100,000. Just think about it.
I want little thing I pose in my brain.
What pose in your brain?
If you want me to give you my number, now so you must say, but don't come use them whole heap of big word for me. Ask me pleasantly for my number.
Oh, sorry. My bad. Could you put your phone number in this phone? Could I get your number? So put your number in the phone.
Look like you look somebody about holding me put it in. That is it.
And you feel
my name is Cheryl Brown.
Cheryl Brown? Oh, so he's your brother for real then? All right. So what I'm gonna do, ma'am, Cheryl Brown, you see when I call you, I'm gonna have a conversation with you. And you see the conversation I'm gonna have, it's gonna be some pleasant conversation, all right? So we're gonna talk and you're gonna give me more information about your brother. Cause guess what? What if your brother and what if this situation can make me and you a very wealthy person, right? Because when you drive off, we want to know exactly what's going on. You understand?
All right, let me tell you. He come here today, but he run back quick. Yes, when you call me later and you get your number, I'm going to tell you things tonight.
All right, man. I'll call you, I will talk. All right?
All right.
So
all right, Bununu.
My name is Officer Smiley.
Okay,
so I'll
Officer.
See you.
Okay,
so
Officer
when you hear my voice, you know who it is, all right?
Okay, Officer Smiley, mind your bounty foot right there, sir.
Have a wonderful evening,
all right, darling.
All right, I'll talk to you, okay, ma'am?
Okay, me Bununu. Got your money.
Come around my way if you're not willing to pay. Officer Smiley don't play, no. Officer Smiley, ain't no smile for free.